Hey YouTube, so not long ago I was asked by someone in the comments section to do a comparison of the Canadian gold coins and the variety of sizes compared to Canadian currency in circulation. So that's what I have here. So this is just a size comparison. I have left out the penny because I just can't seem to find one. I know I do have one. So just to show you, this is the 1 ounce gold maple, half ounce, quarter ounce, 10th ounce, 20th ounce, and gram. I left out the 0.5 gram. And then what we have in the circulation for Canadian currency is the $2 coin, also known as the toonie, $1 coin known as the loonie, the quarter, the nickel, and the dime. So I can hold up and show individually. So if I take this 1 ounce maple, and here's the toonie, you can see just barely the 1 ounce maple is larger. So then, of course, it's going to be larger than the rest of these. So here's the loonie comparatively, right? And then moving on to the half ounce. The half ounce and the loonie are more similar in size. Loonie is, it's hard to tell here. Loonie seems to be slightly larger in diameter, but we're talking a couple millimeters. For the half ounce, the toonie is obviously quite a bit bigger. And the quarter next to the half ounce maple. The half ounce maple is slightly larger and definitely thicker. Now the quarter next to the quarter ounce, Canadian quarter ounce is much bigger. It just dominates that. The quarter ounce next to the nickel, Canadian nickel, the nickel is still quite a bit larger. Now the nickel compared to the half ounce is larger. But just to give you an idea, it's hard to tell in these capsules, but it just is quite a bit larger. And the dime, just hopefully this gives you a good idea compared to the quarter ounce. Is more similar. Now keep in mind, versus some of the other coins like the Eagle and the Austrian Philharmonic, for example, the maples are thicker coins and their diameter is not as large. So I'm not going to pull them out of here, but you can see with this half ounce, this is quite a bit thicker than most of these coins, with the exception of the toonie and loonie. So this quarter ounce would be thicker than these two coins. And then when we look at the 10th ounce, the dime is quite a bit larger. And that's the smallest coin, Canadian coin, that I have. And there's the dime next to the 20th ounce and the gram. So hopefully this gives you a little bit of an idea of the size comparison. So with the exception of the 1 ounce gold maple here, being the largest out of everything else. So the 1 ounce is the largest coin here in size, as well as denomination. It's $50 face value. But aside from that, then it would go toonie would be next, then loonie, and then the half ounce, right? Then the quarter. Just to give you an idea, then I can't remember these two. Then the nickel, then the quarter ounce. Then you have the dime, the 10th ounce, and there's no Canadian currency that's as small as those two. So hopefully you guys can see that. That's kind of the size order with regards to the gold versus Canadian currency. Just to go over it again, 1 ounce gold maple. This is the largest. Canadian toonie, Canadian loonie. So that's a $2, $1. Half ounce gold maple. Quarter, Canadian quarter. Face value, Canadian nickel. Quarter ounce gold. Canadian dime. 1/10 ounce, 20th, and 1 gram. So thanks for watching, and I hope for the individual who asked for a comparison, this is good enough, and thanks so much. It was a good video idea anyways. And we'll see you in the next one, YouTube.